Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to hide taxes into sale, purchase and invoicing using this our Dev hide taxes. So first install this module and click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales app, create new and see here these options hide taxes, select customer, add product like apple pie and another is a blueberry. Let's say here display taxes based on this product but I want to hide. So allow these options. Let's say and see here. Now hide here taxes. Now I want to print this and see here in printed ordering also hide taxes. Now go to purchase app, create new order, select vendor like ready-made, add product like a large cabinet. Let's say and same display here taxes based on this product and prices. Now I want to hide this, so allow these options hide tax and also hide here. Let's say and now I want to print this order and easily display here in printed order in taxes is not display, it means hide here. Now go to invoicing app, create new invoice, select customer like a deco ID, add product, customizable desk and display here taxes. I want to hide this, so allow these options hide tax and also here hide taxes. Let's say now print this invoice and see here show printed invoice in not display taxes. So using this our app you can easily hide taxes into sale, purchase and invoicing. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.